In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Monzo to Wise account 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to tap, what details to enter, and how to confirm everything with confidence. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on a good internet connection. From the home screen, head to the Payments tab. It's the section where you manage transfers, standing orders, and payees. Once you're there, choose Bank Transfer. This tells Monzo you want to send money directly to another bank account rather than to a contact or by card. If you haven't saved your Wise account before, you'll need your Wise account details ready. In Wise, each currency has its own local details. For example, for GBP, you'll typically see a sort code and account number. Use the name exactly as it appears in your Wise account to help Monzo's confirmation of payee check match correctly. Keep an eye on the currency you're sending. You should enter the bank details that match that currency's balance in Wise. Back in Monzo, add a new payee and choose a UK bank account if you're sending GBP. Enter the account name, sort code, and account number from Wise. Double check every digit. Mistypes are a common cause of failed or misdirected payments. If Monzo offers a name match result, follow the guidance on screen. You can optionally save this payee so future transfers are faster. Now enter the amount you want to send and pick the Monzo account you're sending from if you have more than one. Add a reference that makes sense to you, such as Wise Top Up, so you can easily recognize the payment later in both Monzo and Wise. Before you proceed, quickly review any limits on your Monzo account and ensure you have enough balance. Review the summary carefully: recipient name, sort code, account number, and amount. When everything looks right, confirm the payment. Monzo may ask for Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authorize it. Most UK transfers sent via faster payments arrive within minutes, though occasionally it can take longer if extra checks are needed. Finally, open the Wise app and check the relevant currency balance. Pull to refresh if needed. You should see the incoming transfer appear shortly. If it hasn't arrived after a reasonable time, verify the details you entered, check any in-app notifications, and confirm there aren't service delays. You can also contact support if necessary. That's it. Your Monzo to Wise transfer is complete.